Choosing the top best performing cryptocurrency is not an easy one and may require proper research as well as not limited to consulting one's financial advisors. Nevertheless, with the series of trends we have recorded and observed these past months, we have been able to come up with our top cryptocurrencies for this month of May, 2021. These can be seen with the statistics below to have been unique enough to be thriving so far. Digital currencies have seen their greatest blast since late 2017 that has pulled in a ton of eyeballs. Financial backers are looking at the top digital forms of money to add a blend to their portfolios. Bitcoin, the most famous cryptographic money, as of late hit a record high of $63,000 prior to seeing high deals, giving financial backers a window to purchase Bitcoins before the value spikes once more. Today, one Bitcoin is esteemed at $56,000. In the previous few months, digital currency costs descended from their highs after US President Joe Biden flagged plans to build capital additions charges which lead to certain financial backers auctioning off their property. Nonetheless, this didn't prevent monetary administrations from having an uplifting perspective towards computerized money. Visa said in a proclamation toward the finish of March that it will permit the use of USDC stablecoin to make exchanges. The Gemini digital money trade declared for this present week that it will dispatch a prizes-based Visa with MasterCard. The thought is to permit clients to bring in money back as digital currencies. The speculation banking Goliath JP Morgan is likewise planning to dispatch an oversaw Bitcoin reserve for its customers. Not simply Bitcoins, the image crypto that was doing the rounds via web-based media, Dogecoin, is likewise being acknowledged by dealers like the online tech retailer Newegg, the Kessler Collection Lavish Lodging Network, and the Dallas Mavericks NBA Group. Not to neglect, Elon Musk's Tesla Incorporated will begin tolerating Bitcoin as installment for electronic vehicles. With a few organizations tolerating digital money as a valid type of installment, this is an ideal opportunity to put resources into some digital forms of money as per your spending plan. In the event that you are considering what are the best coins to put resources into May, here's a guide that can help you. The list for our top cryptocurrencies in May 2021 are: 1. Ether. With a market capitalization of $316 billion, Ether is the second biggest digital currency made in 2015. The Ethereum blockchain chips away at brilliant agreements that empower decentralized applications like the well-known decentralized account administrations, DeFi. While financial backers take a gander at bitcoins like gold, this one component of Ether permits a higher number of public blockchain exchanges. Ether's present worth in $3,376.34. 2. Binance Coin. With a market capitalization of $90.9 billion, this is the third biggest digital money dispatched in 2017. The coin is local to the Binance trade and the new environment the organization is creating, Binance Smart Chain. Being one of the biggest on the planet, the organization intends to turn into the essential framework specialist co-op for the whole blockchain environment. Binance Coin's present worth in $663.43. 3. Solana. Solana is one of the quickest developing DeFi biological systems and now has a local cryptographic money coin that saw its worth pinnacle a month ago. Dispatched in March 2020, Insider Limited Ability to Focus has figured out how to turn into the 14th biggest digital money with a market capitalization of $11.19 billion. The proof of history calculation that it utilizes has the most elevated rates of exchange. When contrasted with Ether, Solana offers low exchange expenses. Solana's coin current worth in $47.07. 4. Dogecoin. This is the least expensive cryptographic money to purchase in 2021. Because of Elon Musk considering himself the Doge master, this coin has seen the spotlight after a dodgy history. Made in 2013 as an image coin, No one anticipated that this coin should become genuine, not to mention be remembered for the top rundown of digital forms of money. The cost spiked from $0.007635 to an unequaled high of $0.074398 in under about 14 days. This came after the GameStop episode and Elon Musk's tweets. Dogecoin's present worth in $0.4392. 5. Cardano. Cardano is projecting a promising development potential. The coin has outperformed its worth of $0.182 in January to $1.45 in February, making it the best reasonable digital currency to put resources into. Although its present worth in USD is about $1.33, which is still subject to further positive changes. The explanation for this value climb is the new update that carried the capacity to make brilliant agreements that will permit designers to begin dealing with dApps, numerous new digital forms of money, and the DeFi area. This coin likewise flaunts modest exchanges and a decent improvement group that is taking this undertaking towards full decentralization. 6. XRP, Ripple, XRP. Best digital currency recorded, XRP, Ripple. XRP, Ripple market cap, $63.3 billion. The XRP, Ripple story. XRP's distinguishing strength is that it's the quickest advanced resource, empowering close to ongoing worldwide installments any place on the planet. Accordingly, some installment suppliers use XRP to extend their range, lower unfamiliar trade expenses, and settle installments all the more rapidly. XRP was dispatched in 2012 by a threesome of engineers, who at that point made a privately owned business called OpenCoin, presently called Ripple Labs, and skilled at 80 billion XRP. This is the thing that makes XRP novel. It is, basically, a revenue-driven stage, not at all like pretty much every other crypto project on the planet. Purchaser be careful. In late 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission recorded suit against Ripple and its two prime supporters, guaranteeing they raised more than $1.3 billion through an unregistered, continuous advanced resource protections offering, otherwise known as XRP. The claim is as yet agitated. XRP execution history. Aside from a blip of a spike in December 2017-January 2018, XRP didn't break the 60 cents limit until 2020. As of early May 2021, it was exchanging at $1.35. Instructions to purchase XRP. The most effortless approach to buy XRP is on one of the large crypto trades like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. 7. TAI, USDT. Best cryptographic money recorded, Tether. TAI market cap, $52.2 billion. The Tether story. Tether is novel among the alternatives in our best cryptographic money show. It's the chief in the class of digital currency known as stablecoins. Why stable? Since they are fixed to a customary cash, for this situation the US dollar. For financial backers, these tokens offer the joint advantages of open blockchain innovation and conventional cash. TAI was dispatched in 2015 and works on the Ethereum stage. USD coin is another steady coin, and numerous crypto people believe it's a more secure bet than Tether, referring to a more noteworthy straightforwardness. TAI execution history. 1 Tether token equals 1 USD. Continuously has, consistently will. The most effective method to purchase Tether: buy, sell, and use Tether tokens at Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and other major crypto trades. 8. Bitcoin, BTC. Best cryptographic money recorded, Bitcoin. Bitcoin market cap, $1.01 trillion. The Bitcoin story. Bitcoin has been around since 2008 and is the blue-chip digital money. It has, by a wide margin, the biggest market cap, the most noteworthy coin esteem, and the biggest organization of clients. Bitcoin was made by an obscure individual or gathering who passes by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. It should be the money of things to come, and despite the fact that you can utilize it today to buy numerous labor and products, you wouldn't utilize it to purchase some espresso in light of the fact that the expense of the exchange would be excessively high. Consider Bitcoin rather like the gold of things to come, not actually helpful for day-by-day exchanges, yet you need to have some for its put-away worth. It's additionally similar to gold in that it has a restricted stock, which is something that makes Bitcoin so appealing to financial backers. An aggregate of 21 million Bitcoins will at any point be delivered, which makes Bitcoin expansion verification. Note: Bitcoin Cash is a totally unique digital currency, made by a gathering of engineers' expectation on cutting down the expense of Bitcoin exchanges. Bitcoin Cash has a ton of making up for lost time to do to Bitcoin regarding the size of its organization. Bitcoin execution history: like all cryptos, Bitcoin began worth basically nothing. In 2017 it took off from under $1,000 to more than $20,000, yet inside a year was down around $4,000. In late 2020 it started soaring once more, this time from around $10,000 to the $50,000 in addition to circulates in today. Instructions to purchase Bitcoin: Bitcoin can be bought on crypto trades like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, at Bitcoin ATMs, on PayPal, and on Robinhood. Try not to be put off by the excessive cost of a coin. You can put just $25 in Bitcoin on Coinbase. 8. 1 inch. This is the final coin on our list for now. You can check out more infos on it via Coinmarketcap. Find all necessary links to ease your crypto experience below in the description box. Disclaimer: do note that the arrangements of the cryptocurrencies do not really determine their positions. However, Bitcoin remains the top on the list of coins to be considered, as it can be referred to as the mother coin of all coins. Also, most of the links represented are affiliate links meant to offer you discounts and adds no extra cost to you. It's usually a win-win situation for us and you when you utilize them in making your crypto sign-ups and purchase. Finally, always do well to make your own research and invest only at ease, as the crypto market will always have lots of opportunities and its downsides.